This is AI talking to AI, building an entire blog. This one happens to be about foreclosure. This is AI building inside your Go High Level account. Yeah, that's right. That's what you're watching here. Pretty amazing. If you need this, get a hold of me for sure. We can clean up your email for you. We can do all kinds of things for you. You need something built? We can build websites for you, blogs, funnels, all kinds of membership sites, missed call, text back, AI agents. Team of AI agents. Pretty amazing. You are watching right now. This is the future. Well, of course it is right now, actually, but the future is going to be really great. This is AI talking to AI, building a brand new blog with photos, links, and everything. AI just built that, folks. That's you just watched it. Look at that. Wow. Isn't that great? If you need your blog built, let me know. We can definitely do this in your business. Get this set up for you in your business. How would that be if you were able to just set this off and boom, it researched, it did all of the information for you, built all of the SEO so people are going to see this, added photos, all in your account. Pretty awesome, I would say. This is next level stuff. This is pretty great. The blog is pretty great. It's high quality, of course, when it's published to all of your different social medias. It's long, which is good. It keeps people reading. The pictures are great. These are the steps of Florida foreclosure. It is a great read. And right now it is going to the SEO settings. So let's watch as AI goes to the SEO settings and adds the best possible SEO for this blog. And we are going to have it in draft mode, so we'll be able to change anything, alter anything that we see wrong before it goes live. So this is not going to make it go live. This is AI talking to AI, building a blog from top to bottom in your account with all of the SEO. It will do this for all kinds of things, websites, blogs, funnels, workflows, forms, quizzes, membership sites, going through all of your email, organizing your email, making new folders inside your email. Got a work email? We can go through every single work email in a matter of minutes and organize your email, and all have tags for all your new email so you won't ever get cluttered. They'll automatically go right into that right box. Problem solved. I had 75,000 emails in my account. It sat there and made all new new labels for everything, made new folders, put all like kind in each folder. Now it tagged everything, so if I ever need to find something, it's all tagged. So AI will do everything for you, folks. It's just a matter of how you use it. If you're still using AI to do simple tasks like talk to it and say, hey, what should I buy for dinner tonight? Man, it is so much more. It does so much more. If you don't want to deal with it, that's what you got people like me for. Get a hold of me, and I'll take care of it. Personal, business, we have automation, AI tools for just about anything you need done. Get a hold of me. Let's have a conversation. We'll talk about what AI can do in your business, and we're going to get rid of all of the bottlenecks for you, get customers coming in using AI. Little doggy is hot outside. I have to let her in, so I had to walk away. Oh, I wasn't watching it. So what happened? AI is talking to AI. Building a blog inside of our account for us. This blog is about facing home foreclosure in Florida. This is going to be a great blog. If you're a Central Florida homeowner, take a look at those photos. Take a look at those photos. Those are fantastic. Goes through the process. So it's wanting to work here. So it is loading more SEO settings in the panel. It is taking pictures of everything it does. So you can go back and look at everything that it did. It is going into the system. Get a hold of me. I'll get you some free days. We got a 14-day trial. You can have this up and running in your account. Funnels, websites, emails, CRMs, telephone. I mean, it does everything your business could ever want. Anything for marketing, anything for running your business, payments. My God, it does everything. Now, AI can help make it all happen. You don't need to pay a big accounting, a big firm to go make all of these blogs and ads for you anymore. Pretty amazing. You seeing this, folks? This is AI talking to AI Studio in SalesVine. Making it happen. We are building a unbelievable blog for our site. We're not touching a thing. I just got up and left, let my dog in, came back, had all the SEO done. Many people don't even know what SEO is. Search engine optimization. It's what gets your site seen. It's what gets your blogs seen. Look at that, folks. There it is. It is in draft, waiting for me to go open it and take a look at it. It is all built with AI talking to AI in your account. Could you see this working for your business? Oh, wow. This is amazing. You have no idea. All right, so now it wants to edit. So we're going to we're not going to do anything. It's doing it. So it's going to adjust the title to make sure that the SEO is good. This thing is so thorough. Did you see that, folks? It just adjusted everything so it could get found for you. The best SEO titles, the best SEO description, SEO, search engine optimization. It's going to be the thing, the keywords that get found by Google when you're putting out a blog. It is optimizing this whole thing. This used to take me days. We've been here for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I haven't touched a thing. I haven't touched a thing. I'm just sitting here talking to you. 10 minutes. We have a full SEO optimized blog post inside of our blog account, in our account, that's going to be live as soon as I hit the button, and I didn't touch a thing. Do you think a blog being built automatically can work in your business? And it's not even the blogs. This is just one tiny little thing it builds. So we're going to have other videos on it building other things. But today, you want a 14-day trial, go to agencyailab.com, agencyailab.com. Fill it in. There's a 14-day trial. There's a boot camp. There's all kinds of golden nuggets and freebies. Go get it while it lasts, because we're not going to be keeping that there for a while. And that is a 30-day trial, a month trial. agencyailab.com. Go get your 30-day trial. Get your freebies. Get this up and running in your account today. Get the money rolling in before your first payment. agencyailab.com. agencyailab.com. What you just watched, okay? You just watched a blog post with SEO optimized, a full headline, pictures, categories of the foreclosure. It has the meta description. It has all of the different blog posts. It has all of the different fields filled out. This is in draft mode. Take a look at this blog. It is fantastic. This was built AI talking to AI. I didn't touch a thing. We built this. You just watched it all get built. Okay? Here's my number. Here's the website. Okay? You want foreclosure? This is a fully optimized blog. Now, if we wanted to, this doesn't look like it is connected, right, to a link. It's probably over here. Put the URL here. If you're facing foreclosure and you need some help, certainly sold.net, safe harbor, right? You can add the link, and guess what? Now we have a link to our site. Let's see what happens if we click on it. I don't think it's clickable right now until it's published, but we just made it clickable. Pretty cool, right? A full blog posted. All I have to do is update it in the system and send it out. And AI. Talking to AI. AgencyAILab.com. AgencyAILab.com. Get your 30-day trial. It's not going to last long. The 30 days is going to be gone. You're going to be stuck with just a 14-day trial, or maybe even less, 7 days. It changes. Get your 30-day trial. AgencyAILab.com.